legs and feet. The feet and legs can show nervousness and restlessness through how you can show, how we can understand that the person is nervous or feeling restlessness when the person is tapping his feet or jiggling his feet, shifting. So with this signals, you can understand that the person is not comfortable, he is restless. Feet can also reveal information. Crossed legs can also suggest an unwillingness to hear what someone has to say, especially when legs are also crossed and arms are also crossed. Many people use gestures for emphasis when speaking. This can have some direct benefits. The more enthusiastic the gesture, the more excitement someone is likely feeling. It's also fairly common for people to gesture towards someone they feel particularly close to, often without realizing it. So here are some specific things you can watch for. First is outstretched hands with palms up. This may be a reflection of openness. Then clenched fists, of course, it will suggest what? Anger or frustration, especially in someone trying to suppress their emotions. Then instinctively touching the cheek might signal that someone is considering something carefully or has a lot of interest in what you are saying. Let us now see some body positions. Leaning back on a wall or other support, it suggests boredom. Leaning into a conversation suggests interest. Standing up straight, sometimes with hands on the hip, can suggest excitement, eagerness, and confidence. Standing straight with hands at the side is a common resting position that suggests a willingness to engage and listen. And when both of your hands are supporting the head, it might suggest boredom or tiredness. Then tilting the head or body to one side suggests interest and concentration. Distance, or you can say space. Someone who regularly stands or sits very close to you likely enjoys your company. That means you are very familiar and you enjoy the company. Someone who stands apart and takes a step back, if you take a step forward, likely wants to maintain some distance. So that person is not comfortable with you. If you move a step forward and if that person moves a step backward, that means that person is not comfortable with you. Sitting close enough to touch or leaning into a conversation, particularly with a smile or brief touch, often suggests physical attraction. Then putting up a hand or arm when taking a step back often suggests a desire for a physical barrier or more distance. So these are some of the very brief suggestions I can give, that you can look out. You should pay attention to the body language to understand more of what the person is trying to convey. And also if you pay attention to the body language, you will also get to know the personality of the person. So let's wind up today. Thank you.